Hey there, this is Hunter, and this is just a brief overview of my website here for this class. I've tried to base it off of this template here. I think it was like a simplistic template, simplistic design. And the reason I liked this type of format I wanted to go over was it looked clean and it looked kind of like peaceful. And I liked how basically it was kind of in the center a little bit, and then there's like shadows around it, and just you scroll it down and it's easy to see, and it just makes it's just clear, not too much going on. I wanted to add a little bit in the background. I wanted to kind of take this and kind of take this flower up here, but make it, instead of one flower, make a whole picture of it. So I decided to get like a black and, or basically it was I think I chose a Chinese garden, and then I went to Photoshop and made it a bit darker, black and white. And so it was kind of tricky trying to get the not, because I wanted to get blurred out, but if I blurred it too much, you couldn't really see what it was. And I also wanted to have it see-through, so you can kind of see the rocks in the background of the page. And I really like that type of thing. And I kind of try to keep the shadows, maybe you can't see them too well, but like there's shadows from like box to box. This one's actually like a glow, but it should like shadow like that. So I like basically the same type of idea where it's just a straightforward down, except I didn't like this like design at the right. I wanted a totally vertically layout, and see how it kind of just wasted space right there. I felt like, at least to me, it felt wasted space. So I took that and I just put it all down here. There's about, I think, a 15 pixel margin on both sides. And then it should respond on mobile too. So it's like a max size of like, I think 1,000 pixels, and after that it just starts going slow, rescaling itself. And about right there was the mobile change. So then this goes the top down view instead of the 3 split like that. So yeah, I still kept it pretty simple. But overall I really liked it. It was a fun project. It was kind of difficult not trying to just change anything on the HTML and just go with CSS. But after kind of like figuring out some ways to work around some things, it made a lot of sense. And it was nice having all the content just made for you. So it was kind of, in a way, more simple because you didn't have to touch the HTML. You had to get kind of creative with the CSS. And then I wanted to talk about this. Here's a Colors, whatever. It's a website used to get my color thing. So you can just press the space bar and it generates different colors. And I wanted to kind of go for a little bit darker tone, but still keep like the creamish look. So I did a little bit like a darker cream there. And it is kind of a cream, but with the transparency, it does look more gray because it's on a black and white background. But it was like a creamish white color. But overall, this is a great resource to use on just any website. And I'm using this to record the video. But no, awesome. But yeah, this was my project. Hopefully it's pretty decent. I could have done a lot more, but I felt it's okay. Alright, thank you.